Eric Burgess here. Find the mean, standard deviation, and variance for the following probability distribution. So we've got this probability distribution. We're going to need a few formulas, and it's always good to write them out beforehand so that the professors know exactly what your thought process is. And so we say, okay, well, the mean, we have a formula for that. That is the sum of x. That's a terrible summation. Let's draw a better one. Sum of x times p of x. These are all in the summation. And then the variance is equal to the sum of x squared times the probability of x minus mu squared. So these are our two, and this is the variance. Of course, if we want the standard deviation, all we have to do is take the square root of the variance. And boom, we've got ourselves the formulas that are required of us. So to do this, right, the mean, this is just going to be all of them multiplied and added. So it would be like 19 times 0.2 plus 20 times 0.2 plus 21 times 0.3 plus 22. I might have been saying times, but it's, you see I'm writing add, plus 0.2 plus 23 times 0.1. All right, whatever this is, that's going to be our mean. And we need that first because we need the mean for the other stuff. And fun fact also, this is also the expected value, so pretty handy to know. So we've got 19 times 0.2 plus 20 times 0.2 plus 21 times 0.3 plus 22 times, what did I do? Just 0.3, so 0.2. And then we're over here now. Plus 23 times 0.1. And then I did a lot of typing, so we better check. 23, yep. 22.2, yep. Keep going. 21.3, 20.2, and 19.2. So we hit enter, and we get out a mean of 20.8. So this is our mean. If you have units, you should write down your units. We don't have units in this case. So now we're going to do the sigma. This one's going to be quite a bit bigger, so, or the sigma squared. So we're getting the variance now. And this one's going to be, right, the summation of everything squared, and then we're going to minus the mean at the end. So x squared is going to be 19 squared times 0.2 plus, and then x squared again, so that's 20 squared times 0.2, because its probability is also 0.2. And then we've cut our top off a little bit, plus 21 squared times 0.3, 22 squared times 0.2, plus 23 squared times 0.1. All right, and then at the very end, we're going to subtract off our mean squared. Our mean was 20.8, so we're going to put 20.8 squared. And we don't have to do anything fancy here because the order of operations is going to take care of the order things happen in, right? It's going to square, and then it's going to do these parentheses, and then we're going to add from left to right. So this will all happen in the correct order. Nothing fancy needs to be done here. So we have 19 squared times 0.2. We'll just check it as we go here. Plus 20 squared times 0.2. Yep. Plus 21 squared times 0.3 plus 22 squared times, we just did the 0.3, so we're on the 0.21, whoops, 0.2 plus 23 squared times 0.1 minus 20 0.8 squared. So we hit enter, we get 1.56, 1.56, and then we go ahead and we take the square root of that, of 1.56. This is going to equal sigma, which is going to equal, so we take the square root, it's here in blue, and then our answer. So you could write this number again, or you can use answer from down here in blue, and we hit enter, and we get 1.2, we'll go ahead and round, 1.25. So this is the standard deviation, this is our mean, and this is our variance. And that's how you do a question like this. If you have any questions about this, feel free to let me know. You may be wondering, is there a calculator way to do this? There is indeed a calculator way to do this. Let's go ahead and just let me show you. So we've got edit. So we need to put our lists in. So if you've got stuff in your list, go ahead and clear it, then move down, go up, clear it, then move down. Then we've got 19, we've got 20, we've got 21, 22, and 23. Then we've got, for our second list of probabilities, we'll put 0.2, 0.2, 0.3, 0.2, 0.1. Right. We want the mean, sigma, and sigma squared. So we're going to go to stat. We're going to go to calculate, and we want one variable statistics. So we're going to go ahead and choose that one. Our list 1 has our x values, so that's totally fine. And our frequency list is now going to be our list of probabilities. So this could be a list 2. So we're going to choose Shift L2, and then we're going to go ahead and hit calculate. And it's going to pop it out for us, and we see the mean is 20.8. The standard deviation's 1.248, which rounds to 1.25, exactly what we got. And if we come down, oh, I don't think this one actually gives you the variance, but that's fine. You can just square this and you'll get this number, and we did that directly, so that's not a huge deal. But you can see you can actually use the calculator to do this, and it can be quite a bit faster than this, so it's a great way to check your work. And if your teacher's cool with you using the frequency column, then you can just do this and save yourself a lot of writing. I think there's value in doing this a couple times just to see how the process works, and then switching to the calculator after you're, rock solid with this way and interpreting the formula and what the formula means and all that stuff. If you have any questions about this, again, feel free to drop a comment, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for future videos, and we'll catch you in the next problem.